Welcome to my screen, and now let me show you how you can automate all WhatsApp customer replies using Pabbly Chatflow. So right here on my screen you can see this is the WhatsApp chatbot I have built in, by using which I am going to automate all my WhatsApp customer replies. So right here you can see this is the structured format of the flow, which starts from the welcome message and ends in the confirmation message. So now let me show you how to create it, but before that let's test this WhatsApp chatbot which I have already built in, so that you can understand it's working for your business too. So for that let's move on towards my WhatsApp, and here I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved as my test number. So here I'm going to enter a message that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. And as I have entered this message, I'm getting this welcome message that is hi, welcome to Happy Paws Pet Boarding and Daycare. And I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my pet boarding and grooming business, but you can modify it according to your business. And here we are getting two buttons, that is pet boarding and grooming and care. So here I'm going to select this first button, that is pet boarding, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my pet type. So here I'm going to enter it as cat. So now let's enter it, and as I have provided my pet type, I'm getting a message which says how long will your pet stay with us. So here I'm going to enter it as 2 hours per day, and as I have entered this message, I'm getting this welcome message which is asking me to enter my pet name. So here I'm going to enter it as Moon. So now let's enter it, and as I have provided my pet name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my pet's breed. So here I'm going to enter it as Persian. So now let's enter it, and as I have provided the breed of my cat, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the age. So here I'm going to enter it as 1 year. And as I have provided the age of my pet, I'm getting a thank you or the confirmation message. So this shows that our first button is working properly. Now let's move on towards our second button, that is grooming and care. And as I have selected this button, I'm getting a message which consists of the list of the grooming services offered to the pets. So here I'm going to open this list and check out the services. So here I'm getting some of the services. So here I'm going to select it as bath and dry, and as I have selected the service, I'm getting a message which says which pet is the service for. So here I'm going to enter it as cat again. And as I have provided the message, I'm getting a question asking me to enter the preferred date for the grooming. So here I'm going to enter this 12/5 2026. So now let's enter it, and as I have provided the preferred date, I'm getting a thank you or the confirmation message which says grooming request received successfully. Our groomer will contact you for confirmation. So this shows that the WhatsApp chatbot I have built in is successfully working, and you can also modify this WhatsApp chatbot according to your business, by using which you can automate all your customer replies. And if you like this WhatsApp chatbot and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right here on my screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code and get heavy discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. And now for creating this WhatsApp chatbot, you have to access Pabbly Chatflow by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you can select this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, then you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and using Pabbly Chatflow. But if you're an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and once you finish your sign up or login over the Pabbly, then you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, where you can see all the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create a chatbot, then I'm going to access this Pabbly Chatflow app by simply selecting this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers connected to my account. And if you want to add your WhatsApp number, then you just have to click over this add WhatsApp number button, and here we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, then you can just select WhatsApp Connect, but if you prefer connecting with token number, then you can select this option of Manual Token Connect. And if you want a description of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, then go and check the video given on the description below. And moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn more about these features, then you can watch the video given on the description. And now as we are going to create a chatbot, then we just have to click over the flows given on the sidebar. And once you will click over the flows, you will be landed to this flow builder page where you can see these are the flows I have created. And if you want to create a new flow, then you just have to click over this add flow button, and here we are landed to our flow page where you might see this option of providing the flow name. So now let's provide a name to my flow here. So here I have provided the name automate all WhatsApp customer replies using Pabbly Chatflow, and afterwards we are getting this option for trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is the event which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, or if your user replies by a quick reply button on a send template, but I'm going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be thinking, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. Now let's say I want to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word hello. So here I'm going to make this word as my keyword. So here I'm going to type it and press the enter key, and here our one keyword is ready. And afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input, and if you want to trigger any advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this. But as of now I already have my keyword, so I'm going to remove this regex from here. Now on your left hand side you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So you can drag any of these messages and action blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if my user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and here I'm going to select this text button node, which can be seen on this message node as well. So here on this text button node I'm going to enter a welcome message. So here I have entered this welcome message for my customers or the clients, and now I'm going to add a button to this message node. So for that we just have to click over this add button, and here we have to enter the button name. So now let's enter it. So here I have entered my button name as pet boarding, and afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the button type. So from this drop down you can select your button type, either as quick reply or link if you want this button to react as a link, but I'm going to keep it as quick reply. Now let's click over the save button, and here our button has been created successfully. Now I'm going to add one more button to this message node. So here I have created my second button as well, that is grooming and care. Now if my user select this first button, that is pet boarding, I'm going to ask them some questions. So for that we just have to go towards the actions, and here you will see this ask question node which you have to select. And now in this question node I'm going to enter a question asking for the pet which my user wants to stay for the board. So now let's enter it. So here I have entered this question asking for the pet type, and afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the contact custom field. So here I'm going to select my contact custom field as pet type, and if you want to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to go towards the settings, and here you will see this option of contact custom fields which you have to select. But before that make sure to save this flow so that you don't lose your data. And as you will select this contact custom fields, you will be landed to the contact custom fields page which I have already opened, where you can see these are the previously created contact custom fields by me. Now for creating a new one we just have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name, and at last you just have to click over the save button and your contact custom field will be created. But as of now I already have my contact custom field which I am going to select. So now let's search for the contact custom field pet type, and here it is asking me to select the format. So here I am going to select it as any. Now likewise I am going to add some more questions to this flow for the pet boarding. So here I have entered this another question asking for how long will your pet stay with us, and here I have entered this question asking for the pet name, the breed and the age of the pet, and according to these questions I have selected the contact custom field. Now if my user provides me the answer of all these questions, I am going to provide them a thank you or the confirmation message. So for that let's drag and drop and select text button over here. Now in this text button node I am going to provide them a confirmation message. So here you can see that I have entered this thank you or the confirmation message. Now let's enhance our second button, that is grooming and care. So I am going to provide the list of the grooming services offered by my business. So for that we just have to drag and drop and select list over here, and now in this list node I am going to enter the body of my list, but you can provide the header and the footer as well. So here I have entered this body for my list. Now I am going to add some items to this list. So for that we firstly have to create a section by simply selecting this add section button, and here I am going to enter my section title as services, and afterwards on this section I'm going to add some items. So for that we just have to click over this add items, and here it is asking me to enter the title and the description of item. So here I'm going to enter only the title of my first list item. So here I have entered the title of my first list item or the first service. Now I'm going to add some more items to this list likewise. So here you can see I have added 2 more items to my list, that is hair trimming and nail clipping. Now I'm going to assign contact custom field to all these list items so that I can get the response which my user has selected or get the service which my user has selected. So for that we just have to move towards the actions, and here we are getting this option for set custom field which you have to select. And now I'm going to connect it with my first list item, and from here I'm going to select the contact custom field as service type. So now let's search for it, and here I'm getting this contact custom field, and now it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field, and as you know I'm creating this contact custom field for this first list item, that is bath and dry. So here I have entered the same value. Now I'm going to assign contact custom field to remaining list item as well. So here you can see I have provided contact custom field service type to the second and third list item as well. Now if my user selects any of these services, again I'm going to ask them some questions, and you know the process of creating the questions. So now let's add our questions over here. So here you can see I have entered this question asking for the best pet is the service for, and the last question asking for the preferred date for the grooming. Now if my user provides me answer of both these questions, I'm going to provide them a confirmation message regarding the grooming. So again we have to use the text button note. So here I have entered this confirmation message. So with this we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for replying to all our WhatsApp customers. Now we just have to save this flow by simply selecting the save button, and here we are getting this pop-up which means we have successfully saved our flow. And now you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, by using which you can reply to all your customers, and you can even share the flow which you have created. So for that you just have to go to the flow builder page, and here you can see this is the flow which I have recently created. So I'm going to select 3 dots of this flow, and here we are getting this option for share flow which you have to select, and here we are getting a shareable link which you can share with your friends, team members and colleagues so that they can also know about this amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and automate all your customer replies without typing a single message. And if this video feels really helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button, and if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.